Hey there, I'm Justine Lillie Helena from Lillie Helena Interior Design, and as you might have guessed, I'm an interior designer. This is my first YouTube video. It's my introductory video, so bear with me if I might come across as a bit nervous. I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. I'm an interior designer based in a tiny island called Malta, which is on the Mediterranean Sea. And the reason why I started these videos is I'm hoping to bring along some interior design knowledge and pass on some tips of the trade to help you get working on your own interior design projects at home. I believe everybody is creative, everybody can do it, and the only thing that's stopping people is fear. So we're going to try and get rid of that fear, and we're going to move along and start working on your own interior design projects without an interior designer, and just maybe with a bit of help from me. So what I'm hoping to do with these videos is get everybody who watches them to ask me a question. Just comment below, ask me your interior design question, and I will either reply below or else I will create a whole video just based on your questions. So bring out your questions, let me help you, and welcome on board. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next videos.